Hi everybody. I'm very happy to introduce you the new medical device of Deleo called CELLUTION. I'm Dr. Benatar. I'm a plastic surgeon in south of France. So, there's a lot of definition of cellulite, but what is sure is that every patient who come in my office, when I talk about cellulite, she show me her hips and tell me that she have some. Actually, it's concerned a lot of women. The cellulite, it's a superficial lipodystrophy that make appear dumper or lumpy. In France, we call it orange scale peel. We use thermograph plate to differentiate the three types of cellulite. There is the edematous cellulite, adipose cellulite, and fibrous cellulite. It's quite useful to know on our patient what type of cellulite she has, because after we can use the device medical differently to treat the appropriate cellulite. When a patient comes in my office, I have a lot of things to propose. I'm a surgeon. First thing I think about is liposuction, but it will remove the fat, only the big part, but it will not improve the skin aspect. In fact, sometimes and oftenly it will be worse after liposuction, the skin aspect. We can use radiofrequency. We're going to have a good effect on the skin aspect, but none effects on the fat. And now the superficial device won't be enough efficient alone. So when Deleo want to attack the cellulite problem, they start by studying what works in the market. They choose 4 technology and improve it in one only medical device. So it's the first device that have a high intensity focus diode, 940 nanometer, associated with a mechanical message, dermocosmetic, and vibration wave. So the high intensity focus diode, it's a 940 nanometer, is going to fix on the fat and warm up the skin. At 42 degrees, we know that the skin will be stimulated, but also, and it was a good surprise in my practice, it will really have an effect on the fat and create a lipolysis. The mechanic message, it's going to 0 for 270 microbar, and it will help to do a lymphatic massage and have an effect on the fibrous cellulite. And the dermocosmetic is the first time that we have a specialized dermocosmetic that is in the medical device and used at the same time. To finish, we have the microwave we use on the other handpiece, and at the end of the care, we're going to use it to treat the edematous cellulite. We can see here the new medical device, CELLUTION. That's the first handpiece who have the 3 technology, the high intensity focus diode who gonna warm up the skin, the mechanical massage, and the dermocosmetic at the same time. And that's the second handpiece with the microwave for the edematous cellulite. So here you can see the first result that we have on my first patient. In the first picture, we can see that she contracts the bottom so that we can see more the cellulite. And there is a good effect with 2 sessions during 3 weeks, 2 sessions per week during 3 weeks. In the other 2 pictures, there is no contraction, and we see a very good effect on the skin aspect. So when Deleo come to introduce me the new device, CELLUTION, I wanted to try it on my patient, and the first thing that I see is that there is no pain during the treatment, and I don't know, no social exclusion. There is no social exclusion, no pain during the treatment, and no seasonality. I'm working in south of France, so I have to, there is summer all the years, so it's very important for me. And the treatment is very easy, no painful. The first thing that I see, it's that there is a very good improvement of the skin aspect on the patient, starting at the beginning of the protocol. After 2-3 sessions, we see a good aspect of the skin coming. But what was a really good surprise is that we have a really loss of the circumference of the hips. In my first patient, in average, it was 6 centimeters of loss in the circumference hips. And that's thanks to the high intensity focus job in this case. And there is a very good satisfaction of the patient, of the experience of the patients. Do you have any question? No? You can see the new machine, the new device in the stand downstairs, and try it if you want. Thank you.